Hi family, it's Auntie here, and today we are reading this book. This book is called You're My Little Christmas Cookie by Natalie Marshall. Let's take a look. You're my little Christmas cookie, your sugar and your spice. You are the sweetest treat, you're everything that's nice. You're my little Christmas wish, your glitter on my tree. I wished for you, and here you are, all cozy next to me. You're my little bundle of joy. There's no one I love more. We snuggle up, we hug, we squeeze. What else is winter for? You're my little snowflake. You sparkle, pure and true. You glisten in the winter sky. There's no one else like you. Now beneath the soft snowfall, we settle in snug beds. And as the night sky twinkles bright, we rest our sleepy heads. The end. Oh, how wonderful. Thank you so much for reading this adorable book with me. Happy holidays. See you next time. Bye.